Look, kids, there are honeybees buzzing around the playhouse. Can you help me put the bees back in their beehive? Let's use tweezers so we don't hurt them. Look, it's a red bee. Where should we put it? How about here in the middle with the red hexagon? Here we go, yellow bee. Let's put you back in your home. Where should we put the yellow bee? Down here in the yellow hexagon. Good job. How about this purple bee? Where should we put the purple bee? Up here. Alright, we have 3 bees left. Here's a green bee. Let's put it down here. There you go, bee. 2 more bees left. We got the blue one. Where should we put the blue one? That's right, up here. Last one. It's the orange bee. Let's put the orange bee in the orange hexagon. Alright, now that we have our bees safely in their beehive, how about we plant them a cactus so they can get some nectar to make honey? Alright, let's start with the stalk of the cactus. And now let's add these bigger green arms. Oh, it fell over. This is a balancing cactus, so we gotta make sure to balance it. Let's try that again. Put one here, and put one here. That way it'll be even. Now for the medium-sized branches. It's starting to look like a cactus now. I think the bees are gonna like this. Now let's add the yellow, orange, and red ones. These are the flowers of the cactus. The bees can get nectar from the flowers. Alright, 2 more, and we'll have our cactus. Awesome! Doesn't it look cool? Alright, let's see if we can gently add the bees to the cactus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, our last one. And 6. All 6 bees are on our cactus. Now maybe they can make us some honey. Oh wow, they did! Look at that! That looks so yummy! Thank you, bees! Alright everybody, I hope you had fun. Tune in next time and I'm gonna try some of this honey. Bye!